Installation of the T-LOC bracket for a wood stud application. Using a level as a reference, draw a horizontal line at the desired shelf height. Be sure to subtract the thickness of the shelf top when marking the line. Use a stud finder to locate the center of each stud to which you'll be mounting brackets. It's very important to accurately locate the center for maximum strength. Place the provided adhesive template on the wall with the centerline mark aligned with the center of the stud and the top of the template aligned with your horizontal line. Extend the lines for the polyblock centerline vertically 1 inch. Pre-drill the bottom hole for the double-headed lag using a 1/4 inch bit. Ensure these holes are centered on the template and as level as possible. Repeat for the top hole for the screw using an 1/8 inch drill bit. Use a 1/2 inch socket to drive the double-headed lag into the bottom hole, stopping when the head of the lag contacts the wall. Place the base plate onto the double-headed lag. While holding the plate parallel with the horizontal line, drive the structural screw into the top hole using a T30 star bit. Lock the shelf bracket arm into the base plate. Insert the polyblock into the bracket with the slot down. Place a level onto the bracket and use a 1/2 inch socket or an open-end wrench to adjust the double-headed lag and level the bracket. Turn the lag clockwise to lower the front of the bracket and counterclockwise to raise it. Place the shelf onto the brackets, leaving approximately 1.5 inches between the shelf and the wall. Push the shelf down against the brackets to ensure that the entire shelf is supported and won't rock. Double check for level and adjust the double-headed lag if necessary. Slide the shelf to its final location against the wall, noting the positions of the poly blocks. Measure out 2 inches from the wall at the polyblock center line. Secure the shelf using the provided trim screws. To order brackets or find a distributor near you, visit shelf-made.com.